Hey, how is everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm sorry that I'm a little late with this video. I know it was supposed to be for last week, but I was on a surfing trip and there was no Wi-Fi where I was at. So our first trade of the week we have here XAU USD that was called. I believe it was a 40 pip. Let's see. This is a third trade. Then we got NAS and we ended up hitting TP2. So TP2, here we go. TP2 21.5 and our entry was 25.500. So yes, it was a 40 pip move. So let's go down to the 5-minute time frame. This move did come from a 5-minute time frame and ended up correlating with the 15-minute, 30-minute time frame as well. So let's zoom in a little bit. Let me move this out of the way for you guys. As you guys see, I do like to journal my trades, and I have been doing it more lately than previously. So over here we have a 5-minute trend line. I like to call it diagonal support as well. And as you could see, there was breakout of the trend line, right? Breakout out of our diagonal support. We then converted it into a diagonal resistance, and we rejected that trend line, right? Broke through it, then we come back, retest, rejection, and then we start to see also previously, before there was a breakout through this resistance, we see price resist this resistance level, right? So we're fading to break through. Price is not yet ready, and we could come and consolidate towards, we can come and retest this higher time frame level of support. We break out, price then starts to trade near our entry, and then we also start to lose that bullish momentum, right? Price then comes, hits our TP2 at 2021.5, 40 pip move, and then we ended up closing our trade. I was able to close my trade somewhere in between TP1 and TP2, so it was pretty nice. There was a lot of people that was able to catch that TP2, so good for them. Then, as you can see, price ends up reversing and ends up hitting entry point, and continues to consolidate in between this range. So our second trade over here is NASDAQ 100. Ended up hitting TP2 as well. TP1 was a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, as you can see. So TP2 was a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So TP2, let's go to NAS 100. 15-minute time frame, and it should be up here. There we go. So over here, it was a breakout of diagonal support. Now notice this trade was similar to our XAU USD trade, our gold trade. Very similar trades. As a matter of fact, when I saw it play out, I said I have to take it. It was a 2-to-1 risk to reward for TP1, and I wasn't going to miss out. I trust my setups, I trust my analysis, I trust the type of trader that I am. So as an instinct kicked in, I executed, and we ended up hitting TP2. It's all what it is, guys. Had 5-minute, 15-minute, and a 30-minute correlating to my favor. We also saw a breakout of diagonal support, of course, right? And then price rejects. The candle closure over here with this candle, wasn't too sure. I was actually even questioning the trend line, but then once we saw the second candle open up and saw that bearish move, that's when I executed. I went back into drawdown, but we rejected this diagonal resistance. So then I felt comfortable with having my stops at 250 pips, which is pretty tight. If you normally trade NAS, you know the volume on every candlestick for about, an average would be around 250 to 350 pips. And then we instantly hit TP2, right, along with gold. So it was a nice move. Price then comes back, hits that entry level point, and then just consolidates in the green, coming back with a reversal. So we lost that bullish volume as well. We had nice candlestick patterns indicating sells. We also had a 500 pip range where we sold at the top, right? I know it's minor levels, but if you're going to trade the range, you want to sell the top and buy at the bottom. And then the candlesticks were in our favor as well. So Aside from that, it was a great trade, especially since they were both at the same time. I pretty much got out of XAUUSD, and then Nasdaq started playing out in my favor. That's when I executed, and we ended up hitting TP2. And then our third trade for the week was another gold trade. I believe we only hit TP1 on this one. XAUUSD buys. Let's go over here. Now this one was a quick scalp. It was a quick one-to-one trade. I was trading the breakout out of this minor level and previous highs over here. Price instantly went into profit and then just came back, tested this stop loss, and then coming back and hitting take profit again. So this trade was a quick scalp. It was in and out. There was a lot of reactions near this level of support and resistance that we have here. And like I said, I was just in it because the news was in our favor. As you could see, news came out, and I believe in that time it was an unemployment rate. So unemployment rate came out. It was actually in favor of XAUUSD because it was lower than forecasted, and when it's normally lower than forecasted, it's bad for currency. When it's above what is forecasted, it's normally good for currency. In this case, the news was in our favor. A lot of reactions at this level, and then it was just more of a breakout out of a minor level resistance trade. A quick one-to-one. It was a scalp. That trade was our last trade of the week, leaving us profitable for the week with over 850 pips in profit. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me at John Paul Trades via Instagram, or reach out to me here via the comment section. It is I trade very simple where anybody can understand. And if you guys have any questions or would like to know about my trading style and how I trade, feel free to reach out to me, guys. And don't forget to check out the free Telegram. The link will be on the bottom of the video. It is completely free. Guys, we send trade analysis, trade ideas. We give you breakdowns on our trades. You know, why not be in it? It's completely free. So that being said, we also keep you up to date fundamentally. As you can see, today, Monday, there's not much going on, but why not? It's free. I highly encourage you guys to check it out. Check it out. That being said, I hope we have a profitable week. I hope our week is filled with profits and nothing but good news. So, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.